Right, I managed to get the barrels off. What I did, it wasn't quite at top dead centre, so I filled the tops of the pistons and the barrel with AFC and warmed it with a heat gun and just eased them off. But as you can see, not too clever. I'm not sure if you can see the bore. If you can see in there, I'm not sure. But they're not good. So we'll have a rebore. The nice thing is, standard. So we've got room for that. The main bearings feel really rough and the small ends are a bit seized. So that's my next challenge.
Can you fix it, John?
Yes, I'm sure we can fix it. But if I get stuck here, can I give you a ring, mate?
Yes, John, I'm on it.
Thanks.